I found a free flight API on GitHub, gave it to ChatGPT Sites, and turned it into this working mini SaaS. In this video, I'll show you the full process, from finding a useful public API to publishing a working MVP. I'll also show you what the first version got wrong and how I fixed it using real flight data. A mini SaaS is a small software product built around one focused problem and one clear workflow. For this kind of project, I will use a process called the FIND framework. F means find useful data. I means identify the product. N means narrow the MVP. D means develop, fix, and deploy. I believe this framework is easy to understand but really effective. Now I'll start with the first step, finding the data. Since I do not have a product idea yet, GitHub Public APIs gives me a useful starting point. The repository groups public APIs into categories, so I can explore the types of data that already exist instead of forcing a random app idea. The list gives me a short description of each API and some basic information, but it is community maintained. Links can become outdated and free plans can change. That means I still need to open the official website before choosing anything. I kinda like this Aviation Stack API. Its website shows access to real-time flight status, departure and arrival times, and everything relates to the airline. Let's take a look at the free plan. It has a limited request allowance up to 100 and can check real-time flights. I also checked the official documentation to confirm that Aviation Stack has a real-time flights endpoint and uses an API key. Alright, this API is really suitable for a mini SaaS MVP. At this point, I only need to confirm that the API provides useful data and that its free plan can support my project. I chose the API, but I have not had any idea of what this one can build, so I'll use ChatGPT to brainstorm idea from this API. I'm working inside ChatGPT work because this environment gives me access to the Sites command when I'm ready to build. Take the Aviation Stack website URL first, then I add it into my prompt. My first prompt asks ChatGPT to study the available flight data and propose 5 focused mini SaaS ideas. After the output shows up, I'll review it. These ideas are interesting. Each of this can turn into separate video. If you want me to build more workflow like this, comment your idea down below. Oh, the 5th one looks great. This idea is about building a flight tracking app for someone preparing for a flight or waiting for another passenger. I chose this idea myself for a few practical reasons. The scope is available on the free plan. The final result can be presented as a clear visual prototype. Now that the product direction is clear, I need to reduce it to the smallest version worth building. My second prompt turns FlightReady into a concise MVP brief. The app will support one workflow, from entering a flight number to showing the most important update, as you see in the result. The required input is only the flight number. Behind the interface, FlightReady needs to find the correct flight, then match all the related informations of that route. The app also needs clear states for loading, flight found, flight not found, etc. I am keeping booking, payments, and other advanced features outside this MVP. This scope gives ChatGPT Sites enough direction to build something useful without turning FlightReady into a large aviation platform. Before I build the app, AI Fire is preparing a fresh restart with daily community topics around useful AI tools and practical workflows. We are also planning free weekly sessions with live demos, workflow builds, and direct answers to use cases submitted by members. You can find the community link below if you want to follow projects like this and share what you are building. After narrowing the scope, we will start building the first version. The third prompt is the build instruction. I give ChatGPT Sites the MVP brief, the Aviation Stack documentation, and every details it needs to deploy a fully working app. FlightReady should feel like a modern flight operations screen mixed with a premium travel app. After ChatGPT creates the first version, it asks me to add the key. I have already placed the API key inside secrets in the site settings, so I only reply, secret added. ChatGPT handles the remaining connection and continues with the build. The result already looks strong. The heading is clear, the dark interface feels polished, and the main card is easy to notice. When a flight number has several matches, FlightReady asks me to choose a specific route instead of silently selecting the first result. The landed status and delay information are also visually prominent. The first version looks promising, but the polished interface does not prove that the product logic works. Now I need to test it with real flights. I'm getting the test flight numbers from the official Neubai International Airport website. I'll pick the flight randomly, and the first lucky guy is VN224. FlightReady finds the flight and shows the main route information, but the timing result is incomplete. The app does not provide a delay value in this case, so the app needs to calculate the difference from the scheduled and actual times. The next guy is VJ2978. Paste the flight code here and click Check Flight button. How the heck do you can't find the data? I'll fix this error later. We'll test another one instead. The third case is VN310. This code returns multiple matches and the selection feature already works. The problem is that each option shows too little information. The user can see the date, but the departure and arrival times are missing. That makes it harder to identify the correct flight. I also want to improve the logo. The current one feels generic. I'm imagining a small aircraft that has a green check shape. These are the 4 issues I found from testing and reviewing the first version. For the fourth prompt, I use this simple format. I'll describe the issues in detail, then paste the full prompt into the chat box. After the update, VN224 now shows the correct results. 15 minutes late for departure and 9 minutes early for arrival. FlightReady keeps the gate block and shows not available yet. The VN310 options now include the route, departure time, arrival time, date, and status, so choosing the correct flight is much easier. VJ2978 still returns no result, even after the fallback search. That confirms the issue comes from Aviation Stack's current data rather than FlightReady's input logic. The logo has also changed. ChatGPT followed the plane and checkmark concept, although I still think the visual design could be improved further. After the fixes, the app is ready to publish. Go to the Sites category, then click the Share button. Change the access permission after that and save. Now I share it with selected teammates or publish it to a public URL that anyone can open. My biggest takeaway is that ChatGPT Sites designed a polished look at first, but when I tested the function, FlightReady showed its weakness of logic. The missing delay calculation, incomplete route options, and logo design were easy to recognize. The data source also creates a limit that Sites cannot fix. Aviation Stack did not include VJ2978, even though the flight appeared on the airport website. The free plan is useful for building an MVP and checking whether the product works. A public or commercial version should be upgraded to higher plan. You can also apply the Find framework to your own mini SaaS. I developed this workflow after building several small apps, and it helps me a lot even in a larger build. I have prepared a free template that includes the Find framework, ChatGPT Sites build prompts, and testing checklist. Comment Find below, and I'll share the template with you. Subscribe to AI Fire for more practical AI builds, real tests, and workflows you can use in your own projects. Thanks for watching, goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.